My highest conviction stock picks. That's what I've just been asked. And it's a terrible question. I'll tell you why. You don't want my highest conviction. And the reason for that is several. And this is the problem that private investors have and why they lose money and that they are like gamblers. First of all, and I've written about this in the Financial Times as well. First of all, let's say I gave you some stocks. Well, am I there to tell you when to exit? Secondly, how do you know what my process is? How do you know that I didn't just pick it from UK-only stocks or just growing companies which happen to be overvalued as well, so not particularly good, just like fund managers do who are restricted by geography or style, for instance. Or here's another example. Yeah, Beyond Meat. I love Beyond Meat. Wait a minute, is it not relevant that I should tell you that I'm bloody vegan? Oh, by the way, when I bought it, which wasn't based on all my analysis and research on what the computer said, it's dropped about 90% because that was done purely for fun. It was done because I'm vegan, not based on analysis. What you want is what I rely on. What do I rely on? The computer. Value, growth, income, cash flow, Sortino, alpha, all of those things. Computer says yes, great. Computer says no, no. Jim Simons, the legendary hedge fund manager, the most successful fund manager of all time, put it this way: we don't have opinions on stocks. The computer has opinions and we follow the computer. It's exactly what I do. I follow a process. Now, it doesn't matter that it's from a computer. It could be anywhere, but a process. Not what private investors do is let's roll the dice on what some guy says on a tip sheet or on the internet. You need a proper process of due diligence, looking at 10,000 odd stocks, examining them for valuation, growth, income, all of those factors. And then you might come down to what is high conviction. Not asking a vegan if he happens to like a vegan stock, for instance. Let's take another one. I do a lot of work for women in business. Bumble. Woman founder, dating app, led by women. Liked it. Nothing to do with the numbers. On IPO, never pick IPO stocks. So it wasn't to do anything with my process. Guess what's happened since? Here's another one. Friend of mine, Peter Criddus, Lord Criddus, sent me his book. We were emailing each other back and forth. I've known Peter since, the 1990s. Like the man. Think he'll do a good job at CMC. The point from which I said that, nothing to do with my process.